everyone, it's Design Visions, a small jewelry business that sells bracelets, earrings, and more, and in today's video, I'll be showing you some tips on making jewelry. The first tip I have for you is to use a jewelry mat, and basically, the point of this is for when you have your beads to make your earrings with, you can lay them on a hard surface without them falling all over the place, and it's just much easier to keep contained. My next tip for you is to use nylon pliers when you are bending or making loops for your earring. And there is reason for why you might want to use nylon over something like this, which is just metal. It is because when you use nylon, it doesn't create wire marks into your wire. It just looks all flush. And it's much better grip, where if you were to use this type of wire pliers, you sometimes can find little dents and stuff inside your wire, which doesn't make it as fluent as using a nylon pair. My next earring tip for you, once you have completed your main earring piece and you're ready to apply the earring hook onto it, is to just open up your earring hook just enough for you to slip the earring onto the hook. So then after you do that, it'll be really easy to close up your earring hook without it losing the circle shape. I've done this plenty times before when you accidentally open up your earring hook way too much when you go to place the earring on, and then when you try to close it again, it's very hard to close inside the perfect circle. My next tip for you is that when it comes time to put on the loop for your earring, is to bend the wire back. So you can use flat nose pliers or round and basically take the wire and bend it backwards, just like this. The reason for that is because you will have a much rounder circle that doesn't have a flat edge and is nicer to look at and to present. The last tip I have for you is that there are many different types of wire for earring making, but I recommend an 18 gauge, a 16 gauge, and a 20 gauge as the best types of wire to use for beginners for making your earring. My last tip for any beginner earring makers is to use earrings made with head pins like these right here. Basically, a head pin is a piece of wire, and at the end there's some type of stopper or ball at the end, so when you put on your beads, they don't fall off the end, and these are definitely the easiest for beginners. If you liked any of the earring designs that you've seen in this video, you can check out my website at designvisions.com. It has earrings, bracelets, and more. Thank you all for watching this video.